Imagine stepping into a world where creativity knows no bounds, a world where films are born from the power of artificial intelligence. This video invites you to explore the revolutionary process of creating a film entirely through AI, encompassing everything from writing captivating scripts to generating stunning storyboards. By embracing this innovative approach, we can streamline traditional filmmaking methods and unlock new possibilities. In this exciting journey, we introduce Abacus AI, a robust platform that empowers aspiring filmmakers with the tools they need to bring their visions to life. Offering an array of features at an affordable monthly rate, Abacus AI democratizes filmmaking, making it accessible to all passionate creators who dare to dream. An essential element of any successful film lies in the art of crafting a compelling script. Thankfully, with the help of AI, we can efficiently generate quality content that meets high standards while saving precious time. This not only enhances the storytelling, but also allows filmmakers to focus on their creative exploration. As we delve deeper into the process, we recognize the importance of entering clear prompts. The clarity of these prompts directly influences the quality of the generated content, as simple yet effective instructions lead to usable outputs that resonate with audiences. Another critical aspect of video creation is image generation, which plays a vital role in maintaining character consistency throughout the narrative. By specifying appropriate aspect ratios, users can sidestep the pitfalls of default square images, ensuring that every visual element aligns with their creative intention. Moreover, setting precise video parameters, such as duration and aspect ratio, greatly enhances the quality of the final product. These tailored settings allow creators to produce video outputs that are finely tuned for diverse platforms and audiences, ensuring accessibility and engagement. When it comes to generating video clips, it's all about the detail. Instructions include selecting options, setting clear prompts, and ultimately downloading the final masterpiece. This structured process guarantees the creation of high-quality video content that captivates and inspires. Furthermore, extracting voiceover text from a script emerges as a crucial step in adding narration to video. This narration can then be transformed into audio using AI voice actors, specifically tailored to enhance the storytelling experience. To take it a step further, editing audio with software like Audacity can significantly elevate the overall quality of the voiceover. This critical step ensures that the final video achieves a professional sound, resonating powerfully with its audience. As we craft our narratives, setting the timeline with narration and sound effects becomes vital for creating a fluid video flow. At times, adjusting the video duration is necessary to maintain coherence within the overarching story, allowing every element to shine. To enrich the visual experience even further, incorporating transitions and visual effects can dramatically enhance the video's appeal. These dynamic elements not only capture viewer interest, but also elevate the overall storytelling to new heights. Ultimately, harnessing affordable tools for AI video creation can streamline the entire production process. This empowering approach allows creators to devote their energies towards enhancing content quality, pushing the boundaries of creativity and innovation.